The Kia EV4 is the brand's first all-electric hatchback engineered on the dedicated Electric Global Modular Platform to deliver class-leading performance and efficiency. The upcoming 2026 Kia EV4 hatchback combines sharp styling with modern technology and a practical design. Measuring 4,430mm in length, 1,860mm in width, and standing 1,480mm tall, the EV4 sits on a generous 2,820mm wheelbase, giving it a planted, sporty stance. The 2026 Kia EV4 hatchback is a sleek and modern electric car with a bold design. It has a wide stance, sharp lines, and a low height, giving it a sporty look. The front of the car features Kia's signature tiger face design with vertical headlights and unique lighting that make it stand out. From the side, the EV4 shows off black vertical C-pillars that contrast with the body color, adding to its stylish appearance. The bold fenders and large 19-inch wheels give the car a strong presence on the road. Geometric patterns on the lower body bring a fresh and modern touch to Kia's midsize electric cars. At the back, the EV4 has a clean and sharp design similar to its sedan version. It includes wide tail lights and a sloping rear window that adds to its smooth shape. Inside, the cabin follows Kia's minimalist EV design language. A nearly 30-inch digital display stretches across the dashboard, integrating a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 5.3-inch climate control touchscreen, and a 12.3-inch infotainment screen. This seamless layout offers a clean, user-friendly interface and a high-tech driving experience. Tech-forward convenience continues with Kia's Digital Key 2.0 system, which allows drivers to start the car and control various functions via smartphone. The system supports up to 15 connected devices, including Apple Watch integration for added accessibility and ease of use. EV4 Air is offered with a choice of 58.3 kWh standard range of 81.4 kWh long-range battery packs with the ability to travel up to 273 miles with the 58.3 kWh version or up to 388 miles on the larger 81.4 kWh version. The EV4 represents the first time one of the brand's EVs has offered a range of up to more than 380 miles on a single charge. Stepping up to the sportier and more aggressive-looking GT line variant, the EV4 is offered solely with the 81.4 kWh long-range battery pack, offering a range of up to 362 miles. The top specification EV4 GT Line S also comes with a long-range battery pack capable of the same 362-mile range as the GT Line variant. Regardless of battery pack, every EV4 is powered by a single front-mounted electric motor, applying 150 kW and 283 Nm of torque through the front wheels. The EV4 offers sprightly performance and is capable of accelerating from 0 to 62 miles per hour in as little as 7.5 seconds, onto a top speed of 105 miles per hour. 400-volt technology achieved through Kia's Electric Global Modular Platform ensures charging stops when necessary are minimal hassle. The EV4 is able to charge from 10 to 80% in just 29 minutes, 31 minutes for long-range models, when plugged into a 350 kW DC fast charger, and in just 5 hours and 20 minutes for an 11 kW AC charger, 7 hours and 15 minutes for models with the long-range battery. The EV4 range starts at £34,695.